Hello lovelies, and welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make something very easy. Can you guess? Okay, so today we're making a drawstring bag. This is super easy, and for this drawstring bag you can make any size of your choice. Okay, so the material I'm using is a satin material. This is it. This is what I'm using. Now for me, I cut out a length of 16.5 inches and a depth of 9.5 inches. First thing I'm going to do now is to take this to the sewing machine. I'm going to fold the down parts this way. That's the bottom parts. I'm going to sew all the way down. I'm going to fold also the side. And this side. So that is the first step. You fold this side, and the bottom part. Don't fold the upper parts. So I'm going to do that now. Sew the sides and the bottom parts. So the next thing to do is to work on this top part. This top part is where the roper would pass through. So just see the way I'm going to fold it. I'm going to take in very little here, and then I'll take in something bold like this. So from here to here you should have like 0.5 inch or 1 inch or 2 inch, depends on what you want. But for me, I do not want the spacing here to be too bold because the roper I'm using is very tiny. So I'm just going to do it this way. And then I would sew. So let me do that. I have sewn the upper part. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So what we're going to do next is to put this on fold now. And then I'm going to start sewing from here, leaving the upper parts open. This is the upper part. I'm going to start sewing from here, not from the top. From here, I'm going to sew all the way down. From here, I'm going to sew these parts closed. So that's what I'm going to do. Sew these down parts closed. Sew this side closed, starting from here, not starting from the top, because from this top part is where a roper is going to pass through. So I'm going to do that now. That I have sewn. So I'm going to turn this now to the right side. Then I'm going to get the roper. So this is the rope. I cut out 1.5 inch by 17 inches in length. So I'm going to fold this way. And sew all the way down. So this is the rope, this is it. So I'm going to put it now into this place I left open. I'm just going to tie a knot here. So you see, this is ready. Super easy. So I'm going to adjust this and I'll show you the final look. So guys, this is it. This is the final look. It is beautiful and easy to make. So like I said, you can make this into any size of your choice. For the ladies, you can even make it bigger and use it to store your wig. So it can be your wig bag, satin wig bag. So this is it. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Have a nice time.